Okay, I'll show you how to make a lion out of Play-Doh. This is the lion that we're gonna make. Hi kids! So, we're gonna make a lion and the colors that we need, orange and brown. Take your Play-Doh and cut it in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, now we have to roll them into balls. Keep rolling and rolling. Take the other piece and cut it in half. Take one of the pieces and roll it into an oval. Okay, now let's put these little balls for your feet. Okay. Okay, now we put the tail right there. Now it's time to put the head on. I'm going to try to make the neck a little higher so it looks like the lion's looking in the sky. Okay, look at that. Let's make the ears. Perfect. Later we're gonna need this and make it have some lines. That's later. Okay, now we can put the mane on. So first we roll it into a little ball. Okay, now we roll it out. You're doing a good job. Okay, let's make sure it's nice and good. Let's kind of make it into a little circle. This is a circle, a cookie cutter. But we're not going to use it to cut it. We're going to make it so it's a nice circle. And for the leftover, we're going to pull the ones that are out and put it over here. Okay. And now we have to make a hole. Okay, I have to make sure it's all the way full. Now we put the mane on. Put the ears back. And now, look at that outline. Okay. Now we have to put the eyes in. Just poke a little hole. And if you take a closer look, you can see the little holes. See holes? Okay, now let's make a little nose right there. And look at the smile. Okay, now I'm going to put little bitty of leaves in the eyes. It's looking off. Now we're making little lines to make the name. That's it. That's how you make a line on a potato. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below and you'll find the Liam videos.
And